Hey, what's happening? Barnaby here to talk about the clamp meter and the multimeters made by Klein. And this is Sean O'Flaherty, Senior Product Development Manager of Klein. So let's talk about this because we're going to give a broad brush overview in this segment, Sean, and then we're going to drill down with another expert here at Klein about the whys and wherefores. But you have four very simple words. It is tested, tough, trusted, safe. That applies to this line. Explain that to me.
Okay, well, toughness we define as a product that's optimized for a tradesman who's using this product on a job site. Mm-hmm. That means the product needs to be able to take a drop onto concrete or steel. Mm-hmm. It needs to have a resistance to dust and moisture. It needs to be designed in a certain way that a tradesperson can operate it while wearing work gloves. From the safety point of view, it means that we are Cat 3 or Cat 4 safety rated, as per the latest edition of the electrical standards.
Okay, and it's interesting because a lot of people are going, well, aren't they all? But they all are not. Some tools are made for a broad range of applications. Could be for engineers, could be for bench testing. But this is stuff that is specifically designed, although it could be used in other applications that I mentioned, specifically designed for the nitty-gritty day in and day out.
Yes, we always have the rigors of the job site at the forefront of our minds when we're designing products like this. So yes, it'll work for any application, but it is designed around the needs of a tradesperson working on a job site.
And it's as simple as putting it into your probably gloved paw, right? Because everybody wears gloves on the job site. It fits well. Everything is very maneuverable with gloves, very readable backlit displays, as you said. I mean, you guys have done a lot of research on this to make sure that when it gets into the hands of the intended tradesperson, it's going to work the way it's intended to, right? You're going to be able to read it easily. You're going to be able to twist things easily. It's going to be your friend, not a foe on the job site.
Absolutely, that's the goal. The goal is that the tradesperson using this tool on the job site will find it convenient, easy to use, and it will deliver the performance and the capabilities that they need to get the job done.
Okay, and it comes with accessories as well. Let's talk about those.
Absolutely. In order to fully meet the needs of all applications on the job site, we of course need some accessories. So some examples of that are a magnetic hanger, for example, which will click onto the back of a meter and allow it to be hung from any steel panel or duct work or something like that.
Convenient, right? Because, I mean, how many times during the day are we like reaching back down, standing back up? You know, I mean, if it's just hanging, it's accessible and you're going to save
Absolutely,
time.
And not just that, it frees up both hands for doing other tasks while the meter is hanging under its hanger.
Yep, absolutely.
We also have a line splitter, and this is an interesting object which will allow a person measure the current being drawn by an appliance, for example, whereby they may plug the splitter into an outlet, plug their appliance into the splitter, and then hook a clamp meter through the splitter to measure the current being drawn by an appliance.
How great! So smart.
We also offer a range of other accessories, for example, outlet testers for verifying that an outlet has been wired correctly, and different types of test leads and probes for doing different types of applications.
Okay, so when it comes to things electrical, from the hand tools that Matthias Klein first came up with back in 1857 to the latest and greatest stuff here today, it is tested, tough, trusted, safe, good stuff, worth your inspection to see if it fits into your world, and therein lies the value of the next segments we'll be shooting with the expert from Klein who's going to be talking about the minutia, what it actually does, why it is so job specific to the trades, correct?
Absolutely.
Awesome stuff. So this is stuff you should be sharing with your friends if they're in the trades where they're dealing with the electrical. It is through Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. You can text Klein to 37527. You can do it all. It's a big informational highway waiting for you just to merge on and get up to speed. Also the Tradesman's Club, that's a good thing because if you join that, not only do you get all the good information about Klein, but also possibly some free stuff as well. So the one-stop shop for all things Klein will be kleintools.com. Check it out.